Hello kids, welcome to Tonton Kids channel. Today we are going to make the drawing of Candy Cat, which is shown in the cartoon of Peppa Pig. So kids, let's start drawing straight lines. First start with the feet and slowly join all the lines. Now draw hands and tail. Now it is the turn of the face, so let's make the face and ears. After that, make its eyes. Now make its mouth. Now make its ears and tail. In this way, the shape of the face will be ready. The drawing of Candy Cat is complete. Tell me how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Complete the drawing of outer line with using black ball pen. Let us now draw a picture of a ball. To draw a ball, we will first make it circular. Now, we will draw a small circular shape inside it and give 4 curved lines. Now we will start filling colors. First, we will give orange color to its ears. Now slowly fill orange color in its face as well. Keep in mind that the color should not come out, for which we will first fill color inside the black marks. Now we will also complete the remaining area while coloring. All of you tell me how this drawing looks. If you like it, then give a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Now color its hand, then color its clothes sky blue. Now it's time to color Candy Cat's clothes. For this, there is sky. Fill its shoes with sky blue color as well. Fill yellow color in his nose and mouth, and also fill yellow color in cheeks. Now start coloring in ball with using yellow color. Then fill with red color. Now it's time to using green color. Fill up green color inside the ball. Then fill up the blue color inside the ball. Now time to using purple color. Now we will complete the remaining space with black color. Now in this way our drawing is ready. Tell us how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Subscribe and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to see new videos like this. We will meet again with a new video. Till then, bye bye my friends.